Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted screen recording video. If you want to recover or restore your deleted screen recorder or screen recording video, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Google Play Store, open it. After that, you can see video recovery and data recovery. Please install this app. Open it. Right top corner, continue to app, click here. Choose allow permissions. While using the app, choose allow access to manage all files. Turn on this option and then click on it. Go back. Recover videos, images and files. After that, you can see next option, click on it. After that, choose next. Next, click on it. In this area, you can see deep scan, recover all data, data backup all data, data transfer, share data between phones. And in this way, you can choose deep scan, recover all data, scan, click here. After that, choose start scanning, click on it. Show items, open it. After that, you can choose and open videos. And in this here, I can see my all deleted screen recorder or screen recording video in this here. And in this, I can easily recover or restore my deleted screen recording or screen recorder video. So let's see. So first of all, you can choose and select you need deleted videos. So open any videos. You can see cancel or restore option. You can choose restore, click on it. Restore successfully. Okay. After that, you can choose and select you need videos. You can see 8 files, restore, click here. Restore successful. That's when I can easily recover or restore my deleted screen recording or screen recorder video. And remember, you recover or restore screen recording or screen recorder videos saved on your phone gallery. And in this way, you can easily recover your deleted screen recording or recover your deleted screen recorder video on your phone. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.